In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PST file in Microsoft Outlook. A PST, or Outlook data file, is where emails, calendar items, contacts, and tasks can be stored locally. Importing one lets you bring archived mail or data from another computer into your current Outlook. I'll walk you through Classic Outlook on Windows first. Then show you how it works in the new Outlook for Windows. Start in Classic Outlook. Open Outlook. Then go to the File menu in the top left. Choose Open and Export, and select Import File Export. In the wizard that appears, pick Import from another program or file. Then click Next. Choose Outlook Data File, PST, and click Next again. Now click Browse and find the PST file you want to bring in. If it's on a USB drive or network share, copying it to your computer first can make the process faster and more reliable. You'll see options for how to handle duplicates. Replace duplicates with items imported overwrites what's already in Outlook if a matching item exists. Allow duplicates keeps both copies, which can be helpful if you are not sure what's already there. Do not import duplicate skips items that look the same and can keep your folders tidy. Pick the choice that fits your situation and click Next. Select the folder to import. In most cases, choose the top level of the PST and select the option to include subfolders, so everything, inbox, sent items, contacts, and more comes along. Then click Finish. If the PST is password protected, Outlook will prompt you. Enter the password to continue. If you don't know it, Outlook can't open that file, and for privacy reasons, you shouldn't share it. The import can take a while if the file is large. You'll see progress at the bottom of Outlook, and when it's done, your items appear in the folders you selected. If you don't immediately see the content, expand your mailbox or the imported data file in the folder list on the left. And check the subfolders. Now, in the new Outlook for Windows, the process is streamlined. Click the Settings gear icon, go to Accounts, choose File, and select Add File. Navigate to your PST, select it, and Outlook will bring its contents into view. After it's added, look for the folders in your sidebar and expand them to browse the imported mail and other items. If your organization manages settings, you might need permission to use this option. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.